Well, today at Bloom Bliss, we have a few projects going on. I'm getting ready for a pop-up Valentine sale this weekend. So I already replenished my room sprays. Now I'm gonna be working on some lotion drops, and then I'm gonna be working on some Valentine themed wax melts. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I got going. So for the lotion drops, I use equal parts of beeswax. I'm using jojoba oil, but you could use grapeseed oil or almond oil. But I'm using equal parts of beeswax, jojoba oil, and shea butter. And that's melted in my pot here. I just melted everything down in a double boiler on the stove. And I'm also going to be adding fragrance oil, Scarlet Noir. I'm going to be doing half pink and then half just the natural color. And this is the mold I'm doing, just little circles. There'll be little drops. And I will get this put together and you can see how I make the lotion drops. Now we are back. Our little lotion drops have been in the refrigerator for probably 3 hours. I've been working on some other things. So we're just gonna pop these out. And I put them in these little tins. Got this little box of tins here. And the top just comes off. I put them in there. These are orange and cedar wood. Okay, I actually put my tray in the refrigerator for a little bit just because as soon as it kind of hits your warm hands, they kind of tend to want to melt a little bit. They're a little fussy like that. But otherwise, I start with my tin on there and I just kind of get a mix of pink and white and I fill it up to 8 grams. This is a 3-gram tin and that comes up to be about 5 grams. There we go, and then some to take home for me. I have all these labels already made for lemon lavender and orange and cedarwood, but I decided to go with scarlet and I called this little black dress because I thought it was appropriate for Valentine's Day. So I'll make some labels and we'll get those put on. Okay, we're moving right along. We have our room sprays done. We have our lotion drops done. Next up, we are going to be making some Valentine themed wax melts. So let me take you over to the wax pot and we'll check that out. And here's my wax pot. It's a Solite wax melter. My wax is heating up in there. I use Maker's Blend 150 from Midwest Fragrance Company in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, not very far from me. I will pour in my pitcher and I'm going to be making 2 different colors and scents. I'm going to use Baccarat Rouge with purple and I'm going to use dark amber rosewood with pink, and then I'll also make some just plain white color. So when I'm ready to go, I will go over to my station here. I'll use my heat gun. I believe my instructions say I heat the wax from 180 to 190 degrees. Then I add my fragrance oil. I'm using a 10 to 12% fragrance oil to wax. and then I pour around 140 to 150. You can see I have a couple different heart molds here. I may use my scraper depending on how messy that gets. There again, it's on my cookie sheet, so it's easy to transfer into the refrigerator. Let me get another one for this one to make it easy on myself. Okay, I'm going to pour my wax and we'll get making some wax melts. So here's a tip. I take my containers and I wipe them out good with paper towel. And you can see all this wax on them, but I do not throw it away. I save these and I use this to put in the bottom of my fire starters. So nothing, or not much anyway, here at Bloom Bliss goes to waste. Here's my bag that I keep all my used paper towels that have leftover wax that I use to clean out my containers. So we're back. I have my melted oil here. We're using Baccarat Rouge. I have 200 grams of oil, so I'm going to put in 10%. That's 20 grams of fragrance oil. There we go. Over here, scraps and pieces, and then to further clean it out, because I don't want any of this going down my drain or into my septic, I'm going to take it outside. It's winter time here. It's probably 20 degrees out today, and if I just rub this together outside, kind of like this, it will just all fall off outside, and then I can come in and just finish cleaning up with some hot water. So now just that little bit of residue left, I'll just wash that off with some hot soapy water. And then this, I will put over in my cup to put in my little wax melt pot. Okay, we are back. It is the next day and our room sprays are done, our wax melts are done, our lotion drops are done. I have a couple soaps that I need to get labeled. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you my labels, and then we'll get to getting these, I'll package it up and labeled. Okay, so here let's first start out. These are the lotion drops and those are my labels. These are 1.5 inch circular labels, and I get mine from Online Labels, and I use their free Maestro label designer. And then I have my room sprays. There again, these, I think these are 3x2 labels. They're again from Online Labels, and I use the Maestro design for that. And then these are my wax melts. This is how I did my packaging. It's kind of a muffin liner inside a plastic bag. And then this is, I designed this in Canva. So it just says my logo on the front, wax melts, and the ingredients. And then on the back, I have my warning label. So I will cut all those, staple them on. I have my Stone Lake Sunrise soap. These labels I also made in Canva. And my Blushing Hearts Valentine soap, I also made those in Canva. So I will put the camera back up and I will get busy getting all the labels on. If you made it to the end of the video, all of my projects got finished from my pop-up sale, and now I'll give you a little tour of what my retail space looks like here in the wintertime.